Do you want your child's spirit to soar and self-confidence shine? Introducing Young Fan After-School Dance Class, where kids learn so much more than just moves. At Young Fan, our world-class instructors create an inclusive atmosphere for all kids to explore the magic of dance. Whether your child dreams of owning the stage or just want an exciting creative outlet, our structured curriculum develops skills like discipline, coordination, and self-expression. Don't think dance just means twirling around in tutus. Young Fan offers an array of high-energy styles from hip-hop and ballet to cultural dances that build confidence, cultural appreciation, and global awareness. More than just steps, Young Fan fosters teamwork, problem-solving, and lasting friendships through the bonds of dance crews. And the best part? Watching your beaming child take center stage to showcase all they've achieved. Visit our website or call us now to learn more about our programs and to schedule a tour.